Johannes, sino yung walang baso? Oh, magtabi.
Mabiglas?
Nasaan? Oh, sige na sa'yo na. Oh, mag-isa mo ngayon. Ginusto mo yan, di ba? Dito ka. Oh, sige na. Pare-pare. Dapat ka, nagtitiktok ka. Nakita ko ba? Oh, go. Hey! Oh, isa-isa. Oh, sige, isa-isa. Oh, sige, isa-isa. Oh, babae muna. Oh, yan, ginusto mo yan ha. Hindi ka nakikinig ha.
Dapat pupunta sa gitnaan.
Oh, sa gitna ha. Oh, ready, go. Okay, sa gitna. Okay, next, sir. Next. Okay, next. Sir. Sir, it's your turn, it's your turn. Boys! Boys!
Move backward. Destroy yan. Okay, move backward, sir.
Okay, move backward, boys. Kuya, enjoy kuya. Ma'am Kelly, pang 11 ka po, ha? Okay. Boys, Binya. Okay, boys. Okay, girls, will be the pick team.
11 na ang boys. 11 na ang boys.
Oh?
11 na. 11 na sila.
Boys, move backward. Move backward.
Ha?
Move backward. Move backward.
Hindi, 12 na kung kasama si Agno.
Awan daw po siya kasi may opera daw po.
Okay.
Even the girls, move backward, please. Alright, very good. More backward. Kailangan natin maraming space, okay?
Mamaya na tayo.
Okay. Team Kelly, where are you? Okay? Everybody raise your balloons. Okay, taas natin mga balloon natin.
Okay. Okay. Show me your balloon, boys. Raise your balloons. Okay, how about the pink team? Taas ang balloon. Linya po. Maliit na bagay din yung masundan. Linya!
Straight line, straight
Nagagalit.
line.
Okay. Ready? Napakatitigas ng ulo.
Okay, so,
One.
boys, wait, I'll explain how to play this game, okay? Alright, so this is our spirit game. So, boys, okay.
Okay, balloons down. Ibaba ang balloon. Balloons. Ang
Bababa
ibaba.
mo yung mga balloon, okay?
Okay, very good.
Okay, so, boys and girls, all you have to do is put the balloon between your legs, okay? And then, one by one hand, not all together. Okay, and then after that, you have to hop. You have to hop around those chairs, and then after that, you have to pop the balloon.
Okay.
And then after that, proceed to the next member, okay?
Wait po. Isa-isa lang po ha. Pagkaputok ng isa, bumalik po, mag-appear ka. Doon ka lang pwede mag-move. Okay? Huwag na ng move.
Kailangan ng partner may pag-appeal, ha?
Dapat may appear bago tumakbo yung next player. Malinaw po ba? Malinaw? 9. Okay, ready na ba girls and boys? Okay, girls, are you ready? Girls, are you ready? Hakbal the boys, are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 8.
Okay, hop, hop, hop. Okay, next player.
One more. Oh. Sige.
Sige tay.
Oh. Oh, boys. Balik sa linya, boys. Balik sa linya, boys. Oh. Balik sa linya. At yung nakapula. Nakapula. Saan? Gigigil ako doon. Asan siya? Yung naka-red. Yung leader. Okay, nasa yung mga kids. Kids, pasok. Pasok yung mga kids.